How to edit green screen on your Android device. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily edit your green screen on your Android device. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you need to have is the Capcut application. If you don't have it, you can find it on Google Play Store. And once you have downloaded the application, just open it up. And from here, just tap on New Project to create a new project. Now, once you have imported your video, what you're going to do is create an overlay and add another your green screen. So go ahead and tap on overlay to add another green screen. So here you are just going to import your green screen edit and tap on it. Then you can adjust it on your screen where you want to keep it. And then you can adjust the size of the video as well. And once you have done that, I'm just gonna make it so that it fits on the video. And now what you're gonna do is go ahead and select the green screen video, swipe on your screen to find the mask. And from here, you are going to select the mask. Now, once you get here, you are just gonna go back and then here select the second video again. And here you are going to find the background remove options. Then from here, select the chroma key and then tap on the color picker. Now you are just going to select the green color right here. And then once you do that, tap on done. You can adjust the intensity as well. So I'm just going to keep it around 20. Tap on OK. And now if you play the video, the green screen will be removed and it will look something like this. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.